um, we are working without thinking. It's working. Just 60 kilogram weight person working, 100 kilogram person working, gravity power force, and we are just pulling down to the ground. So we are weight. If we just 100 kilogram of just weight of a block to build on, keep, stand on it. The weight is not safely stand upon, going down, slipping down maybe. But human beings, in the sleeping time, 100 weight is safe, but 100 person stand up, then how to try to stand up? And then we're working, then we're not feeling heavy weights. How to do? It is really strange to us. I'm talking to you by Oriental philosophy, the notion of knowledge, maybe. And I'm trying to talking on today, share with you how to work 100 kilogram huge weight workings. How huge weight person working, what can help? In my just picture, you can see my video. Soul to heavens, fly to sky, body to ground, stand on ground. I just described it. In the Eastern, in Asian or Oriental philosophers, the human beings is, just we are just human being is heaven to, we connect to the heavens and connect to the grounds. Heaven, human being, grounds. So is Korean style 천지인, 천인지, right? Heavens, persons, grounds. We are all the peoples between lie just among just heaven and the grounds. So automatically, my head, all human being had to connect to the sky, heavens. So heavens and me is connected. Furthermore, we're trying to talking on the Oriental philosophic way of how to work. Soul is very light, but titles easily disappears. Much more lighter helium gas. So, originality, the soul is run to the sky, to the function sky, to the sky, direction to sky, always fly to sky. So in the body, soul and body in the grounded, body cannot fly, body drops some upon the higher position at, and then automatic bodies go down, drop. But we are in the body is, just the air fly by what? Source. soul's air fly, body is put on the ground. So we are the living is soul, body. This is structures. Soul is apply functions. Body is stand up on the ground functions. So we are in Oriental pleasure is if soul is even when I die a person soul run to the sky, heavens, fly to the sky. But body is lie on the ground. It is very strange. So we're trying to the surviving and living is we're cooling down the souls. Soul is not run out from bodies. And then if we're living, then all bodies, all livings pull down to the bodies, souls. We are talking is in all human being structure is soul, body. Body is ground, soul is sky, heavens. So that, automatically we can explain by this. If a person dying and the body to the ground, soul to the heavens. So soul is all, get, a person's livings, knowledge, informations, the results by within in the source. So if we're living in this world as a righteous souls, you share time with others, help others, and dream world of others. In that case, is righteous souls. The soul applied to the sky, to the post sky, righteous living destination place. This is my book in Europe. If you read my book, I don't know. I heard that in United States selling, but it sure is Amazon's. You can read the micro concepts. If you read the micro concept in Amazon, is the survey in Amazon bookstores. Seongju Choi, Seongjuchoi. This is book writers. So I'm trying to talk into that. How to working? Soul connect to the heavens. Body connect to the grounds. Heavens, person, and the ground. So we can run. And we can working run, then we cannot slip down. Because why? In heavens, just bodies to the heavens, very title, very air fly, very light, much more than light, helium gas. So automatically our just body and direct vertically corrections, we can run and working possible. This is Oriental style explain over philosophically explain how to working. Thank you.